Welcome back. Today we are looking at the AC and power cord cable compatible with Palo Alto PA-3220 firewall review. The Palo Alto PA-3220 firewall is widely recognized as a high-performance enterprise security appliance designed for modern network protection, and its reliability depends heavily on stable power delivery. In real-world deployments, even a powerful firewall like the PA-3220 is only as dependable as its supporting components, especially the AC power cord cable. Check the video description for the updated price link. This compatible AC and power cord cable is engineered to support a wide range of Palo Alto Networks devices, ensuring consistent electrical connectivity and uninterrupted security operations in mission-critical environments. In 2026, network security infrastructure is more demanding than ever. Enterprises, data centers, and managed service providers require stable hardware performance without downtime risks. A high-quality replacement or compatible power cable for the Palo Alto PA-3220 firewall helps maintain operational stability, reduces unexpected power interruptions, and ensures seamless deployment across multiple firewall models, including PA-2000, PA-3000, PA-5000 series, and beyond. This review explores everything you need to know about this AC power cord cable: its features, compatibility, build quality, performance benefits, and whether it is a smart investment for your enterprise networking setup. The AC power cord cable designed for Palo Alto Networks appliances is built with enterprise-grade reliability in mind. It ensures compatibility with multiple firewall models, including the highly demanding Palo Alto PA-3220 firewall series, which is commonly deployed in enterprise branch environments and mid to large-scale data centers. One of the key highlights is its universal compatibility across multiple Palo Alto firewall generations. This eliminates the need for sourcing different cables for different devices, simplifying inventory management for IT departments and network engineers. The cable is engineered to handle consistent AC power delivery, minimizing voltage drops and ensuring that the firewall operates at peak efficiency. Additionally, the build quality is reinforced with durable insulation materials designed to withstand long-term operational stress. In enterprise environments where firewalls run 247, cable reliability is critical. This product is designed to reduce wear and tear risks, ensuring longer lifecycle performance. The connectors are precision molded to ensure a secure fit with compatible Palo Alto appliances, reducing accidental disconnections. This is especially important in rack-mounted environments where space constraints and cable management challenges are common. The compatibility range of this power cord is one of its strongest selling points. It supports multiple Palo Alto Networks firewall models, including PA-2000, PA-3000, PA-5000 series, and advanced appliances such as the PA-3220. This wide compatibility ensures IT teams can standardize their power accessories across multiple deployments. From a design perspective, the cable follows strict safety and engineering standards to ensure reliable performance under continuous load. The insulation is heat-resistant, helping reduce risks associated with prolonged operation in high-density server racks. The connectors are designed to maintain tight electrical contact, reducing power fluctuation issues that could otherwise affect firewall uptime. In real-world network deployments, even minor power instability can lead to packet loss, firewall reboot cycles, or system alerts. This cable helps mitigate those risks by ensuring a steady and uninterrupted power flow to the Palo Alto PA-3220 firewall. Interestingly, organizations that focus on infrastructure optimization often adopt standardized accessories across multiple device categories. For example, just like IT teams carefully choose secure power components, individuals in other industries may optimize equipment setups such as wellness or ergonomic tools like a foldable Pilates reformer to ensure long-term efficiency and performance consistency in their daily routines. Check the link in the description to get yours today.